Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show how I used to do my plantain, as you can see. So now let's fry our plantain until golden color. Wow, so now my plantain looks so good and golden color. Wow, so good. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. As you can see, my plantain looks so good. Yummy. Now I'm going to fry some more plantain. You can eat your plantain with everything you like, as meat, fish, chicken, mayonnaise, ketchup, etc, etc. Everything you like, you can eat it with your plantain, because plantain tastes so good. Wow, so now my plantain is ready to eat, as you can see, golden color. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.